Assalamualaikum. Today we are gonna learn 100 examples for simple sentences or declarative sentences. I like pizza. I like pizza. The flowers bloom in spring. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. I wear a hat in the summer. They run every morning. They run every morning. She cooks delicious meals. We play tennis on weekends. They ride bicycles to work. He reads books for fun. We listen to music before bed. The cat sleeps all day. He fixes computers. The car is blue. The rain falls softly. I drink coffee in the morning. The book is interesting. She writes poems. I play soccer with friends. They dance at parties. She takes photographs. We watch movies at home. We watch movies at home. They meet at the cafe. He plays the guitar. We visit our grandparents. The dog barks loudly. He helps his neighbors. The sun shines brightly. The clock ticks loudly. I enjoy swimming in the ocean. The baby giggles. She studies English. I write in my journal. They eat lunch together. She teaches math. We go for a walk in the park. They swim in the lake. He paints beautiful landscapes. We eat dinner at home. The bird chirps in the tree. He studies history. So this is it for today. Hope you like this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.